Do you think about your fibroids all day long? Do you wake up worrying about your symptoms? Do you spend hours searching online, wondering if your fibroids are growing or if you'll need surgery? If that sounds like you, you're not alone. Many women with fibroids carry a heavy emotional burden every single day. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple tips that can help. Tip number 1, remember that you are not your fibroids. Fibroids are something you have. They are not who you are. Tip number 2, focus on facts, not fear. Sometimes our minds jump straight to the worst case scenario. Try to focus on what you know, not what you fear. Tip number 3, stop checking symptoms all day. The more you focus on every ache and pain, the more anxious you may feel. Tip number 4, talk to someone you trust. Keeping your fears bottled up can make them feel even bigger. Tip number 5, don't put your life on hold. You can still make plans, have fun, and enjoy your life while working on your healing journey. Remember, fibroids may be part of your story, but they do not get to control your future. If you'd like more support and fibroid healing tips, you're in the right place. Comment peace below if you're ready to stop letting fear control your fibroid journey, and if you know another woman who needs to hear this message, please share this video with her. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fibroid support and healing tips every week. What tip did you need to hear the most today? Let me know in the comments.